Hi, my name is Sujal. I have Sujal Patel. I have decided to do the project on DC motor, how to control the speed of DC motor. This is for class CS362. Um, uh, as you can see on the video, this is an Arduino board. I'm using three ways to control the motor speed. One of the way is to use the potentiometer. Second way is to use the photoresistor, and the third way is to use the ultrasonic sensor. I will show you how the motor speed is going to get varied when I change the potentiometer. It will speed up eventually, and the LED lights will turn on and off. If the motor speed is 25%, the first LED light series will turn on. If it is as the speed increases, the LED lights will increase. That will signify to us that how the motor speed, or how we are controlling the motor speed, so it is easier for us to see. And I think in the video you will also hear the sound as the motor speeds faster and faster. One thing that I encountered doing this project was I had to use the external battery to do the motor speed, to control the motor speed, because it required more power to operate the motor speed. It was doing it without the external battery, but I was not able to light up the LEDs without the external batteries. And I'm using as you can see, I'm using the transistor TI 120 TP120. This resistor was needed because I had to use it for a potentiometer to increase and decrease the speed. And then I'm using two potentiometer, 10 kilo ohms, one to control the motor speed, and another one I'm using is a fixed resistor, 10 kilo ohms, to display the logo on the screen. On the screen it will say welcome to DC motor speed controller. So let's get started with the project and show you how it is getting done. So first thing, you can see that it is showing the logo saying that it is a DC motor controller. Then I'm going to show you how to control the using the potentiometer. So I'm slowly increasing the speed, and you can see that the speed has begun. The motor has started, and the speed is about 25%. If I increase the speed, it is like right now it is 50%, and the motor is spinning faster. Now it is 75%, and now it is 100%. As you can see and hear the voice that the motor speed is rotating at the maximum speed. I'm going to slow the motor down slowly, and now you can see that the motor speed is gradually decreasing, and right now it is at 25%, and I'm going to turn off the motor. So that was one of the way I was using to control the motor speed. The second way is to use the photoresistor. I will show you. If I put my hand near the motor, it will start spinning. Like you can see that when I'm putting my hand over the sensor, the motor is spinning and varying the speed according to my hand position. And then I will show you the other way, which was using the ultra sensor. This is recognizing my hand motion. If I am getting closer and closer, the speed is increasing. You can also see the LED lights. Like right now it is at 25%. If I come closer, it is increasing the speed, and the LED lights are at 50%. If I come closer, it will be at 75%, and I can hear right now it is at 100%. So this way I'm showing you that how the motor speeds are controlled by using the three different ways to control the motor speed. I'm going to show you the different initial ways that I started the project. Like my plan for the project was to use this kind of like this thing to put the ultra sensor on here, and I was planning to use the IC which is SN74SC59, to control the motor speed, and I was trying to use the buzzer, but then I figured that instead of doing this way, it didn't work out the way I wanted it to work out. But this is the things that I try to do. I use a solder machine to solder all the LCD lights, and this didn't work out the way I wanted, but it eventually ended up working on the board. And then I also had designed the Christmas tree lights, which was same as this light, but this was more complicated because some of the lights were not glowing, and because there might be, I also did some soldering over here, and so I ended up using this simple board, which is very similar to this. I had to solder all the lights, and as you can see, it is getting complicated already, but it ended up working, and I'm using this LED lights because it can show us this percentage speed. Like I was using this to show like it is 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100%. So this shows the motor speed also. And then those are the tries that I tried to do, this and that. Plus the second plan was to do the boat controller, which is to use the lights, front lights. These are like the front headlights for the boat. My plan was to put the motor inside this boat, and make the motor spin so it can control the boat. So but I think this way, if I did put it in the boat, it will be more complicated for you to see how exactly the sensors and everything are working. So I ended up doing showing you this way, so it is easier for you to see what is the real use of motor and how motor is getting controlled. And I found this project very interesting, and I learned a lot from this project.